Semi-automated trading is powerful, but without a reliable infrastructure, automation becomes risky. In this video, discover the professional SB-ITM trading infrastructure. Many traders run their automation on a personal computer. This is the cheapest solution, but also the riskiest. If your computer crashes, all trading bots stop immediately. No monitoring, no risk management updates, no trailing stop activation. Your positions are left unprotected. The SB-ITM solution is based on a secure, dedicated trading server. Your trading bots run on a VPS, directly connected to interactive brokers. The servers are secured, regularly backed up and monitored. Logs and reports are centralized in the cloud. This setup improves reliability, stability, and performance. For maximum security, SB-ITM supports a dual server architecture, a primary trading server, and a backup trading server. If one server fails, the second one remains available. Your automation continues running. Your risk management remains active. The SB-ITM infrastructure includes trading bots, IB Gateway, IBC Secure Auto Login, Watchdog monitoring, and centralized logging. All components work together to ensure reliability and security. The SB-ITM ecosystem combines automation and human decision-making. ScanBot detects opportunities. The trader validates setups. EntryBot executes trades. RiskBot manages positions automatically. Automation executes the strategy. The trader keeps strategic control. Discover the complete SB-ITM trading ecosystem. Available on YouTube and Fiverr. Links in the description. Thank you for watching, and welcome to professional semi-automated trading.